Hello and welcome. I'm Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney of Landerholm Immigration A.P.C., where we fight for your American dream. And I'm also the immigrant coach. And today I want to talk to those of you who are watching who are immigrants and who own your own business. Okay? We are going to be starting to offer business plan workshops for immigrants. And what I want to explain is if you don't have a plan for your business, then your business is going to end up running you instead of you running your business. All right? It is very, very important. Really, there are 3 tools, and they are very, very simple, basic tools that any business owner needs to get control of in order to get control of your business. All right? You ready? Those 3 tools are 1, your calendar, 2, your budget, because the only resources that anyone has are time and money. All right? Your calendar, your budget, and number 3, your plan. And really, it is your plan, it is your business plan that organizes how you're going to spend the only 2 resources that you or I or anyone has, your time and your money, to do what you want to do in your life, in your business, in your world, in whatever you're up to. All right? So I have been trained, and I have done a lot of training for myself to figure out, okay, how are we going to plan the next 3 months? How are we going to plan looking forward for the next year, right? How are we going to plan looking forward for the next 5 years, right? And if we have that plan, it's not just like a document that you put on the shelf that's now, useless. It's like, let's get organized and let's use it. And it is a living, breathing, useful document that can help us make decisions to help move our conversation forward and move our what we're up to forward to improve whatever we're doing. Okay? So I'd love to walk you through that. And there's a very simple set of steps that we can take to get control of, okay, what are our goals and how do we want to put those goals into action using the resources that we have, which again are only our time and our money. All right? So thank you very much for watching this. Watch out for our next business plan workshop for immigrant business owners. And thank you for watching this. I'm Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration A.P.C., where we fight for your American dream. Thank you so much.